we are gonna go to the creator marketplace. You might ask, Jim, what is creator marketplace? It is a platform that TikTok gives us, and you can find people who are actually content creators, and you can pay them as a business owner. A lot of e-commerce brands do this. They pay the person through TikTok, and you can see their engagements and whatnot. It is not dependent upon luck. So you just see what type of engagement they have, how many likes they have, how many followers they have. So you get in an agreement with that specific user-generated content creator. Usually you run ads with those people and do partnerships with those people. Let's jump in and see what the hell is going on. So we're going to type in creator marketplace on Google and then click on the first result that comes up. So now we are going to land on creator marketplace, and this is the first section, and you have to have a business account, as I said, guys. Otherwise you won't be able to access to it. So you have to have a business manager account. That's what I mean. As you can see, now we're going to click on this bad boy, and now we have two options. What are those options? Invitation or invitation light. We have let the creators find you. So this is an option that I don't really go ahead with. I want to go with invitation first. And we're going to go next, and you will select your brand, and you have to have a brand. You can say add a brand name, whatever it is, and then select your niche, industry, education and training, for instance. Select whatever it is. Let's do food and drink, snacks, and then upload your logo and add brand. And you're going to type something in about brand description. Brand website is optional, and brand social media. Let's say add brand, double check the information, and logo is required. All right, let's select this one. All right, just for the sake of it, we're gonna say add brand. Oh my God, what do they want, guys? All right, I think this is all right. All right, perfect. Now we are all good. So we have to type in the campaign, what we have to select. So this is going to be explanation part of what people are going to see when they look at our offer. So this part is going to be crucial, because let's say with the campaign name is going to be, let's say UGC, and you want to find a person to promote your course, UGC course promotion, right? For Black Friday, let's say. In campaign description, so you want to not identify, but you want to talk about what your brand stands for. So these details are going to be important. So here they give you the examples: your brand's values, voice, history, who your audience is for this campaign, your goal is for this campaign. So let's start. This is a digital marketing course I want to promote. My audience is people who are getting into digital marketing. My tone of brand is playful, witty. Cool. So, and you can also upload a attachment to, if you have everything listed. You can have a campaign banner, guys. Product name and product description is optional. In this case, our product is going to be a course. Let's type in digital marketing course for the example. Unique selling propositions are going to be important, guys. Product description, definitely put those in. Let's say in our case, it is 10 hours long course that gets people from zero to hero. Cool. And we say next. All right, now we have deliverables. These are important, guys. So first one, we have branded content as a content type. Videos posted by creators to their TikTok account. You can request ad authorization to boost with Spark Ads. So what this means, actually, you're going to use Spark Ads, their organic post, and run that under their name, which is great. You can do that. But of course, you can also download the product video that they do for you and then run that as an ad. In this case, we have ad creator, which I want you to go with. The videos shared by creators for your brand to use as TikTok ads. This is what you want, actually. Not post on the creator's TikTok account, which is what we really don't care about. If they post it on their TikTok account or not, we don't really care. What we want is to run that as an ad, which is going to be the most important thing. But if you want, of course, you can do branded content as well. Totally up to you guys. All right, we have timeline, guys. Select the steps you would like the creators to take for this campaign, blah, blah, blah. You have submit concept. So creators will be asked to submit of concept their video before this date. So it is good if you want to like pre-eliminate certain people. Let's say I want them to submit their information. Let's say I want to do a Black Friday campaign, right? Black Friday campaign is going to be November 27th, and I want them to submit their information around 18th of October, right? This is going to be important. And submit video. So creators will be asked to submit their video for review before this date. So this has to be a little later than that, guys. So we're going to go next, and October I want them to give my last review around 27th of October. Video guidelines. All right, this part is really important, guys. And we have video count, by the way, so you can have more videos from more people, right? So this is just for one video only. That's what we're creating and requesting from the content creators. And now we go down. Video guidelines is important, guys. They have to know what type of videos you want them to create. You know the hooks. I already gave you the hooks. The hooks are going to be really important. Really important. So what I'm going to do right now, for instance, use a hook, or let's say start the video with the weird things I do before I go to bed, right? This is, let's say, one example, a hook, right? A personal hook. And then you, the creator, washes her face, puts sunscreen, let's say, because it's weird, right? It has to be something weird. Put sunscreen on because it moisturizes her skin. Then uses the breath, I don't know, the breathing device or something that we're supposedly selling, right? In this case, let's just give an example. Or just sits down to watch one module of 45 minutes of the digital marketing course, right? If you're selling digital marketing course, I mean, I wouldn't use that hook, but just to give an example, right? Just we're doing this for the sake of it. If that was the case, I wouldn't use that hook, to be honest. And I'm going to say next. All right, now we have the payment method. Offline, hassle-free pay creators using the methods you already set up outside of Creator Marketplace, which is great. You can pay them through Stripe, you can pay them through PayPal, you can pay them through like bank transfer, however you like, guys. This is the best. Usually Fiverr and Upwork, which I'm going to cover after this video, take a big cut. That's why I suggest you use Creator Marketplace. We go down offline and we have online. So online transactions is not currently supported for ad creatives. So that's why we cannot do online transactions. We have to pay them offline. Advertising code, we don't have it. So gift free products, no, we don't have it since this is an online. So if it was tangible product, let's say I'm selling this pen, you have to do gift free products. Yes, guys, you have to send them so they can submit their videos, right? Cool. We have the confirm campaign details and whatever. We go down, just check everything, guys. Create campaign, invite creators to the campaign. Yes, negotiation, optional negotiation, payment terms. We can negotiate that with the people and then we confirm. Now, step 2 is the fun part. We're going to look for other creators, right? This is the fun part, guys. So find other creators. This part is the most fun part. We have our campaign ID. People, we have access to this. Explore Creator Marketplace. All right, now this part is the most fun part, guys. In the beginning, I talked to you about this, and we will be able to see a bunch of people and see their engagement, see how much they charge. Since you have a campaign, you will be able to invite those people into your campaign. So let's see English, Nat Warwick. She's in Australia, I guess. And let's do some filtering and see what really fits our brand. We have filter by creator. Let's say I want to sell my products in Australia only. I want to, of course, use Australian content creators, which makes sense, right? I've selected Australia in this case. Category. So it has to be kind of related, guys. I mean, if the person is an animal niche, and if I get her to do like a Udemy course promotion or a random course promotion, it wouldn't really make sense. My audience wouldn't really resonate with it, and she won't be able to create a good content from it. So let's go down. Entertainment would be nice because those people, guys, they will be really good at getting the people's attention, because since they're not going to post on their social medias, it won't be a problem for them. I'm going to only use their energy and how they read the script in my ads. So that's the only thing I care about, to be honest. And if they're really well known, that's a bonus point. They'll be like, oh shit, I know this guy and he's promoting this digital marketing course. That's crazy. I mean, let me check what it's all about, right? Guys, categories is important, but followers is even more important. So people it's hard to buy followers, you can buy followers, but engagement is going to be a little bit more important than followers, because that means his or her videos are more engaging. Followers, you can buy followers, as I said. Buying engagement is kind of harder. So let's do, just for the sake of it, I want people from, let's say we don't have that much budget. I want people from 5,000 followers to 100,000 followers. That's cool. Now it is filtering it again. Location doesn't really matter. Or audience, of course, I mean, it kind of matters. It has to be in Australia. Gender, I don't really care. Age, of course, I want them to be over 18, but not over 44, because my course audience is a little bit younger. People are just getting into it. And average views per video. This is important, plus the engagement rate is even more important, guys. So we want to have an engagement rate from, let's say, 10% and up, because below 10% is not that engaging. And if videos has a high engagement rate, that video eventually gets high views, more views than other people, right? That's the overall blueprint. All right, we have some examples. This guy charges from $10. I'm super cheap, guys. How many? 43,000 followers. Let's watch some couple of videos of his. He does some comedy. He's an Australian person, and let's watch some examples. It's a funny account. I believe if I get this person to do some UGC, user-generated content, that person will be a good addition into my campaign. Let's watch this one. I mean, it's a funny dude, guys. I mean, overall, it's a funny dude, but not the best in terms of like speaking. Let's see one more.
What your favorite flavor of chips says about you, part 2, let's go. If license hanging is your favorite, I can guarantee that you think you're quirky because of it.
Yeah, he speaks as well here. I mean, like, some people have like no speaking at all type of TikTok accounts. They only do dances. So those people I don't really want, because in the UGC, user-generated content, I want them to speak, promote my product or service, and so on. They're gonna read our script. That is important. Let's go down. Let's watch this dude. This is funny, and his age really resonates with the age that I'm trying to target. But I have to see if it's speaking, guys. It has to be an account that he speaks. He asks, guys, it's crazy. He has 16,000 followers, but he asks $300 for a campaign, which is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Look at this girl. She has, by the way, look at the video views. Compared to average views, almost 1 million, which is crazy. But of course, guys, we have to look at the engagement rate. His engagement rate is higher than these two guys, which they all have more followers than this guy. But he kind of is right to ask a little bit more, because what we really care about in an ad is engagement. So when people watch the ad, we have a higher likelihood of click-through rate and conversions. So let's go down. Let's find the highest engagement rate, guys, out of these people. We have this person, but he only does gym content in this case. Let's go down. 12%, 16, 15. Let's increase that range a little bit. Let's increase that engagement rate. Let's do 18 and above, right? Let's do 18 and above. And these people are gonna ask a little bit more, guys. I mean, this, guys, by the way, I think this is the perfect person. You can invite this person, clicking on this will invite that person to the campaign. And you can go down this person. I mean, totally ridiculous. Like, why the hell is she like 21? All right, good engagement rate, but you have like 12K followers and your average video views is 5K. Average video views, try to aim at least 10,000. 10,000, this is like this guy's average videos. He has higher engagement rate, but his average video views is 969, which is so low, guys, so low. One of the reasons could be, so there's no way that we're gonna pay this much to this many average video views. The reason, by the way, his average video views is low is he's probably creating a lot of content. I mean, imagine if you do, let's say 4 pieces of content every single day, your average will drop down. But if he doesn't have a viral content, that is eventually going to go down. Let's check this one. Oh my God, guys, this guy, he asks for $30,000. I mean, in your dreams, maybe in your dreams, bro. Let's go down. What else we have? $50 this guy asks. So his average video views is a minimum 10K. That's what I like. Engagement rate about 15K, about 15%, and he has 20,000 followers. This is good, guys, and he doesn't ask them.
I was driving home in my van, my old rust bucket, and the windows are manual, and there was a girl in her car, like right there, right? And I'm like, oh, well, she's really pretty. I'm kind of bored. I'm gonna try and get her number. So I try and get her attention.
I mean, it's pretty engaging, guys. If he does the routine I give to him, he's going to be good. So you get the gist of it. This is how you invite people into your campaigns. You have to do a little bit of research. You have to spend some time because you're paying these people money and you want them to be in your industry. Because, I mean, the thing is, you're not seeing their ads. You're seeing their organic posts. You don't know how their ads is going to look like. And this is the tricky part. Hope this was clear.